Hi everyone, this is the 88th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from the concept of function, domain and range. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says a function is defined by f of a equals negative 3 times a plus 11 and its domain is the set of integers from 1 to 15 inclusive. That means both 1 and 15 are inclusive. For how many values is f of a negative? That means for how many values of a, f of a will be negative, right? So what is f of a in our case? Well, f of a is equal to negative 3 times a plus 11, and now we have to find out such values of a for which this expression will be negative, right? So now if this expression has to be negative, so can we say that negative 3 times a plus 11 has to be less than 0? And from here can we say it like this, that negative 3 times a will be less than negative 11? And if we multiply both sides by negative 1, then we are going to have positive 3 times a would be greater than positive 11, because we are multiplying both sides by a negative 1, so the sign of inequality will flip. And then from here we can say, well, then a will be greater than 11 divided by 3, and that would be a greater than 3 plus 2/3. So if a is greater than 3 and 2/3, then we know that the function value will start to become negative. Now because the domain is a set of integers, we really cannot start from this particular fraction here, right? We have to start from the next integer, which will be 4. So we have to start from next integer. That means for these values of a, the function value will become negative. So how many values of a are these? These are all greater than 3 plus 2/3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's total 12 of them, right? Obviously, if you count from 1 through 15 and you subtract 1, 2, 3, those are 3 of them. So if you subtract 3 from 15, that will be 12. So this is exactly 12 integers for which the function value will be negative. And if you look at our answer options, we have 12 under option G. So option G would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.